Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the RST Pro Series Ventilator-X textile jacket. Okay, the Pro Series Ventilator-X jacket, we've got it on the website right now for $173.99. It's an amazing deal. A lot of times, and I say this in most of the RST videos, because you hear the price point and you're like, man, that's really affordable. It's probably not that great. This is the exact opposite of that. Don't even benchmark this with any other textile jacket that you've ever seen or worn that sells at that price point. What I want you to do is I want you to benchmark it with something that sells for like twice that, okay? That is gonna get you to the level of quality and performance this thing offers. Let's talk about sizing.
So sizing, I am 5'11", I'm 150 pounds, and I'm wearing a 40-50 in this jacket. So, I mean...
You know your size, because that's what you're wearing, and I didn't even tell him which one he had on.
Exactly, yeah.
How do you feel it fits?
Fits really well, in my opinion. I mean, a little bit tight in the elbows overall, because, I mean, I kind of do have longer arms, but other than that, I mean, this thing fits perfectly. I can feel the protection right out of the gate. You can feel it in the elbows. You can feel it in the back. For $173.99, I think this is gnarly.
Well, and the hand of the fabrics that's used is
Definitely.
super nice.
Super high-end.
So this jacket has a fully removable, waterproof, breathable membrane that is also insulated. So part of what you're feeling right now is you're feeling the additional volume that liner takes up in that area.
This will be super nice for like a early to late fall ride, in my opinion.
And full summer, because all you have to do...
remove the liner.
Like, here's the deal. One of us rides in the rain. Guess which one that is? One of us rides when it's cold out. Guess which one that is? That's him. I'm a fair weather rider, most of us are. With a jacket like this, how you're going to use it, riding in the times that I want to ride, you're going to remove that, and I'm going to show you that in the second part of this video. You're going to remove that inner liner, and you're dealing with full-on mesh, maximum airflow.
Tons of breathing.
Look at all that mesh right there, all the way over into the sides. Here in the underarm area, right? Perforated textile up here. Turn around. Look at the back. Massive mesh panel. This is an air conditioner. You're going to ride around with an air conditioner on your body, and it's going to feel amazing. Let's say that you are one of those riders who will brave the elements like Max, and you'll ride when it's maybe raining, horrible, or you'll ride when it's a little to the colder side out. You throw that liner back in, it's going to keep you dry, it's breathable, so it's not going to be super clammy, and that little bit of insulation is going to work to keep you warmer. Armor complement that comes in this coat. We got CE level 1 stuff in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. Turn around in the back. This comes with a full CE level 2 back pad installed in the pocket. This thing is ready to ride on the tone of safety. Look at all the reflective screen printing that's used on this jacket. From the back, there's 3 patches on the sleeve all the way across the bicep, okay? The fabric, there's like a ballistic style fabric that's used here in the shoulder, in the elbow and forearm area. That's more abrasion resistant than the rest. That is the real impact zone, right? So, and when you think about the impact zone on the back of the jacket, you've got that level 2 back protector there. So let's say that you're sliding on your back and it kind of gnarls up that mesh a little bit. It is 100% not going through that back protector. So you have a lot of abrasion resistance from this jacket. Volume adjustment in the cuff. Velcro and textile to tidy up the cuff of the jacket. If you want to wear a long glove over the jacket, you can do that. If you want to wear a short glove, you've got plenty of room to get that underneath the coat. Volume adjuster here in the forearm, as well as the bicep area. In the waist, you've got Velcro and textile for additional mobility. Motion panel in the elbow. Motion panel here in the textile, done in the shoulder blade area. Let's say it again. Excellent value, excellent jacket. Look at this thing and think to yourself, more like $299 is what this thing should be retailing for. Need more information? Stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take this thing off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. Inside out for the RST Ventilator-X Textile jacket. Got a level 2 CE certified back protector that's installed in the pocket inside the jacket. Level 1 soft shell armor in the elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. Fully removable, waterproof, breathable, insulated, right? This has got like a light to medium level of insulation built into it. Liner from the jacket, Aqua, waterproof, breathable membrane. It's got a zippered storage pocket here on the left side inside the liner, a slip storage pocket with a Velcro closure on the inside of the liner on the right side, so you maintain all the storage that you already have with the jacket. It zips in here in the chest area. You've got a little snap attachment here in the back, and then there are full zips around the cuff areas, so this thing stays in place when you have it in place. You ride in the inclement stuff, it's gonna keep you dry, it's gonna keep you warm. Okay, shell of the jacket itself now. You know, the first thing you're gonna notice when you get this in your hands is the feel of the material in your hands. This is really nice stuff. With RST, oftentimes the price points, you know, give you this preconceived notion of what the level of quality is going to be like, because mentally you might be stacking this up or comparing it with other jackets and or suits that you've seen selling for a similar price point. You need to forget about all that and trust what I'm telling you. This stuff is on par with items that sell for like double the price we're offering it for. Literally, you're not giving anything up. So with this jacket, super nice material, large mesh panel here on the back, tremendous airflow, tons of reflective screen printing put on this jacket. Volume adjustment at the waist is with Velcro Textile and a D-ring. Nice little TPR detail right there. You get to the sleeve of the jacket. Got some really heavy-duty abrasion-resistant textile in the impact area here on the sleeve. Embroidered RST Pro Series logo. Nice motion panel here in the elbow. More reflective screen printing. More of that heavy-duty fabric up here at the top where the shoulder is. Volume adjustment in the cuff is done using Velcro and Textile. Nice little TPR pull there. Front of the coat. They call it the ventilator for a reason, because there are tremendous amounts of mesh fabric used. You can see it all here in the front of the jacket. More reflective screen printing both top and bottom. Some perforation here in the textile that's found at the top of the jacket. Comfort lined collar. Zippered hand warmer storage pockets, both sides. It's got a good looking zipper pull on it. Volume adjustment for the arms. Got that spring-loaded metal snap. There are 2 levels. And there's like it's a little shock cord style there. You're going to find that in the bicep area as well as down in the forearm. Get inside the coat. There's that comfort fabric around the collar. Here's the pocket for your back pad. Zippered storage pocket here on the left side. Velcro closure storage pocket over on the right side. If you want to access the elbow and the shoulder armor, there is a little access pocket that is open and closed via the zipper right here. Zip that open, slide your hand in between the inside mesh liner and the outer shell. You're able to access the armor. All in all, what do I think? This is an amazing jacket. For the price that we have it listed on the website, you will not find, I stand behind that 100%, you will not find another jacket this good, and you certainly won't find one better. You're gonna have to spend double to get something this nice. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.